Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Logitech webcam capture in OBS for streaming. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open OBS Studio on your computer. Connect your Logitech webcam to your computer using a USB cable. Wait for your computer to recognize the webcam. In OBS, locate the sources box at the bottom of the screen. Right-click inside the sources box. Select Add from the context menu that appears. Click on Video Capture Device from the list. A new window will pop up. Name your video capture device if prompted, then click OK. In the next window, find the Device drop-down menu. Select your Logitech webcam from the list of available devices. You should see a preview of your webcam feed. Adjust any settings like resolution and frame rate if necessary. Click OK to add the webcam feed to your scene. Your Logitech webcam should now appear in your main OBS scene. You can resize and move the webcam feed as needed by clicking and dragging. To test your webcam, click the Start Streaming button in OBS. Check to ensure the webcam capture is visible in your stream. If adjustments are needed, return to the Sources box and right-click on your webcam source. Select Transform to resize or reposition your webcam feed as needed. Once satisfied with the setup, you're ready to stream. Remember to check your audio settings to ensure they are configured correctly. Your Logitech webcam is now set up and ready for use in your OBS streaming session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.